Hello everybody, how are you all? I hope you all are safe and sound. So this is your friend CA Rohit Grover. I'm a chartered accountant by profession. So again, I'm here with the very latest and very important announcement given by whom ICAI. It has been released just now only. So remember one thing, whatever is being going to be told in this particular video, it is going to be highly very important, right or not? So important announcement has been given by the ICAI. Now ICAI has given the specific notification for the amendments which are applicable for your November 2020 examinations for all the subjects wherever it is applicable. So you can see that you can go to the ICAI.org, the website, and over there go to the student section. Like say for example, if you are going to the ICAI.org, so if you'll go to the student section, go to the Board of Studies portal, and there you will find the new scheme and the old scheme of our portion or our syllabus. Go to the intermediate course, and if you go to, as I'm going to my subject called auditing and assurance, you'll find this kind of thing. So you can see that the point number 2, it is written that academic updates amendments applicable for November 2020 examination. So it has come for the audit and law subjects. It has come for the audit and law subjects of intermediate and CA final. Clear everyone? Yes. So I'm going to tell you all the amendments which are going to come for which have come for my subjects called law and auditing, and which is applicable for both CA final as well as the IPC intermediate level. First of all, a very big clarification which the ICAI given that all the COVID-19 related amendments, all the COVID-19 related amendments which have come due to this COVID-19 pandemic situation, they are not at all applicable for your examinations, because COVID-19 situation is a very you can say that very temporary situation. So again you are going to get pressurized with the COVID-19 situation, because as we can say that in the INDAS and in the accounting standards, in especially in the your CA final subject called FR, there are so many amendments relating to COVID-19. So many accounting treatments are getting affected, and in law also, in all the specific rules and regulations, so many COVID-19 related amendments have come. So they are not at all applicable for your November 2020 examination. You need not worry. No need to believe anything which is coming from the any kind of external source. We are only going to believe the ICAI website only the source which the ICAI is going to provide. So what my intention of making this video is to make you understand that no other amendments you have to read, only those amendments for every subject. For every subject, wherever the amendment is there, you will find this thing over there, like academic update. You can see the point number 2, academic updates amendments applicable for the November 2020 examination. Like that, for every subject you will find it over there. So I'm going to introduce going to tell you what are the amendments which are applicable for you for the CA final law and audit, and for the CA intermediate law and audit, right? So let us first start with the CA intermediate audit. So in the CA intermediate audit, only one amendment is there. Only one amendment is applicable. First of all, let me tell you one thing. As we all know that our July 2020 examinations were cancelled. Due to that, what has happened, those amendments which are already applicable from May 1st 2019 to 31st October 2019, which were applicable for the May 2020 examination. So 1st May 2019 to 31st October 2019 amendments which were applicable for the May 2020 examinations, they are also being carried forward as an amendments for your November 2020 examination. So need not worry. Those who have already taken the coaching for the May 2020 examination, they might have already covered those amendments. So those are also applicable, because in the May 2020 examinations have not taken place. Now directly the examinations are taking place in the November 2020. So May 2020 related amendments and November 2020 related amendments. So when you will open the document relating to the auditing and assurance in the intermediate level, you will find that only one amendment is there, that we have already covered in our law, in our auditing subject, that if we issue the shares at discount, then there's a new penalty introduced, amount raised by the issue of shares at discount or 5 lakh rupees, whichever is lower. And if you are unable to refund the money back to the subscribers who have subscribed your shares at discount, then in that case there will be an interest penalty at the rate of 12%. So these are the amendments which are already being told to you in the class. So make sure that you are reading out your particular materials and particular faculties notes if they have already covered the amendment. So there is no further amendment in auditing. You can see that only one amendment you are able to see in the intermediate audit, right? Now, when it comes to the intermediate law, you'll find that you can see this paragraph. Read the paragraph first along with me. The study material of July 2019 edition is applicable for the November 2020 examination. This material is updated for all the amendments till April 30, 2019. Further, all the amendment circulars notification in the company law part and other law portion for the period of 1 May 2019 to 30th April 2020. First 1 May 2019 to 30th April 2020. Why they are saying? Because May amendments are also covered. So in the May 2020, which amendments were covered? 1st May 2019 to 31st October 2019. Those amendments were applicable for your May, and from the 1st November 2019 to 30th April 2020 they were applicable for your November examination. That is why directly they are saying, you can see that they have given you the two dates. What are the two dates they are telling you? The two dates what they are telling you is what? 1st May. They are telling you that what? 1st May 2019, 1st May 2019 to 30th April 2020. You can see that this particular document is containing not 6 months amendments, one full year amendments, because after November 19 no examination has taken place. Clear? So don't get confused. Okay, these many amendments you have to do. The all the amendments of your May 2020 which you have already covered, that you already have to do. Some few new amendments which came for the November 2020. So you will find that this document is going to be of approximately some 15 to 20 pages. So you just have to go through once the document and you will automatically find that amendments of other laws and amendment of company laws which you have already covered for May 2020 are also written here. So remember one thing, this document does not only cover the amendments of November 2020, it covers the amendments of both May 2020 and November 2020, right? So this is for your intermediate law. Next one, for the final examination. For the final examination, if you'll see the advanced auditing and professional ethics topic, these amendments are already those amendments which we have already covered in the May 2020 examination. You can see that definition of government company was amended. Section number 132 NFRA was notified. Full section was notified. Then we have amendments relating to audit committee and corporate governance, which you have already covered in the May 2020 examination. Like so many amendments came, right? Or not? Audit committee relating amendments, listed obligations, companies relating amendments, like if their statutory auditor leaves, all those amendments relating to May 2020 are only written here. You just have to go through once, so no worries, nothing at all. And next thing, you can see that in one amendment came in professional ethics also. In one amendment came in the professional ethics also, where you can see that in the professional ethics the new network thing has been issued. Are you getting the point? And one new amendment relating to networks, relating to clause 2 of part 1 of first schedule of the act has been there. For that there will be one separate video which I'll be coming up in a very short period of time. But network related amendment is already covered in our previous sessions which I have given to my CA final students. So remember one thing, network related amendment is also there. But anyways, I'm going to come up with the new videos of all the amendments. So according to the ICAI amendment brochure of November 2020, I'll come up with all the amendments. You need not worry at all. Just be with me, subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed it for the latest updates and notifications, right? Then one is relating to professional ethics. So those are the amendments relating to network in terms of professional ethics. So you can see that you need not worry at all. Same amendments which were there in May 2020 are also there in November 2020. One extra amendment is there in clause 2 of part A of schedule 1 of CA Act 1949. So same thing you will find it in the CA final also. So in the CA final also they have already specified the things which amendments are covered. So again, those amendments right from the 1st May 2019 to 30th April 2020, 1 year full amendments are being given in this particular document. Now the question is, you will be getting worried by seeing the document, sir, how big this document is. No need to worry, sir. You are already done the May 2020 amendments, right? And you just have to do some extra November 2020 amendment. And I will suggest you that read this full document. What will happen when you read the whole document, your May 2020 amendments also will be revised automatically. Clear everyone? So these are the various amendments which have been introduced in my subjects of auditing and law, both at the CA final and CA intermediate level. So make sure that Make sure that you're going through this notification and make sure that you are, yeah, you are, watching this video till the end, so that you can ensure yourself what kind of amendments you have to do. So this is the intermediate audit amendment again, this is the intermediate law amendments, this is the final advanced auditing amendments, right or not, and this is the CA final corporate and economic laws related amendment. So this is the new notification particularly which are applicable for your which examinations, November 2020 examinations. So thank you so much everyone for watching this video. Be with me, stay with me, subscribe my channel, like the video and share the video with the maximum friends of yours, so that they can also get updated with the ICAI amendment. So thank you so much for coming and watching this video and taking out your precious time. I will again borrow your ears in the next video. Thank you so much.